Hello guys, this is Vysh. So the UPSC 2022 result has come exactly like how I predicted 10-11 days back. You would have seen that video when we put it out here. When will the 2022 result comes? I published it on May 11th. Okay, so it's 12 days ago. So May 10th. Okay, May 10th we published this video. So in this video I told you that the result will come on May 23rd because that is how the calculation happens. Okay, so no other coaching class would have told you this. This is a pure simple logic. Okay, as per how many days UPSC takes to correct each paper, so that each date prediction I keep doing and it comes exactly like that only. So 23rd May, the 5 days before the prelims, and it is the 5 days after the final interview date. Okay, 18th May was the final interview date. After that 5 days is 23rd May. After that 5 days is your prelim. So like that we had guessed it on May 10th itself, and the result has come today. Okay, so the rank list has come, and one thing you will notice now, every coaching class will start claiming that all the students are their students, everything. So that how it works, how are they getting the names of the students, that I will explain you in a upcoming video. Okay, so but beware of that. If you are a 23 aspirant, just focus on May 28 your prelims. If you are a 24 aspirant, May 26 your prelims. Don't get diverted by these coaching classes, including online and offline. Okay, many have started claiming that rank 1 to 10 are all their students. I'll tell you how they do that. Okay, so now for the result, okay, go to upsc.gov.in. upsc.gov.in, this is the basic foundation I told you. This is where you have to go and check everything. So whenever there's a major important thing, they will not show you home page, they will show you the pop-up. Okay, so if you want, click here, it will go to home page, else in the pop-up it will be there. Click on this and you will see that the mains result, a PDF will be there, which is published today. Okay, so here IAS, IPS, like I think 180 ranks of IAS, and then 38 IFS, IPS of 200. This is default count, always they takes this much people only. Okay, and then central services, central group services, everything, a total of 1022 people are there, out of which 933 are in the top rank, and then some provisional candidates will be mentioned here, which may or may not be, they will be being called. Okay, so like that, if you go down, this is the rank list. Okay, see UPSC, it will be written mains exam 2022. Okay, interview result, it will be written mains examination 2022 result. Okay, so here if you see rank 1 to 4, it's all girls this time again. Okay, last time it was, I think, rank 1 to 3 was girls and rank 5 was again girl. Same like that here, rank 1 to 4 are girls, and then rank 6 is a girl again. Okay, so like that, if Mayur is the first rank 1 boy, you can tell. Okay, in male and female if you take it separately. So these are the rank list, and here you can, if you have names of your any mentor, sorry, any seniors in your institute or anyone you know, your relatives, you can simply do Control F and search with both the roll number and the name. Okay, the complete names you can see. So most of the people will be there who are studying online, offline and all. So we also have started slowly getting messages, and we'll check whether how many people got advantage from our free initiatives which you are doing. Okay, because many of the students have been seeing our modern history series, our daily plum series, so it's good that people are clearing. Okay, most of the names are familiar to me also, I can see that. So we will check that and then publish the list also later. Okay, so like this, if you want, you can go and check the list. It's a very simple list, and it is not any complicated thing to find out who is in the ranks. Okay, so the result, as I told, the mains, mains exam, it's a written exam was there. It came out in December 6th, and this time it was a very lengthy interview process, very lengthy. This is the lengthiest interview I've seen till date. Okay, because January 30th onwards they started interview. It went on till May 18th in 3 different phases, like first 1000 candidates, then 918 candidates, then 582 candidates, 3 big phases, and 6 months they took to conduct an interview. I don't know why. Okay, they were done it very patiently, very slowly. Okay, this time, because even during COVID time and all, they wrapped up in 1.5 month or 2 month, entire interview was over. But this time they took 3 phases and 6 months to complete the interview. And the marking system, 1750 marks is there, 275 is your interview marks. Okay, so mains plus interview together you have to be the topper. Okay, it's not like mains alone or interview alone. So sometimes based on your merit, on maybe you are very good in essay, your mains marks will be high. When you are very good in speaking, your interview marks will be high. So based on that, your rank will get adjusted, and every mark matters. Okay, so that mark list now again they will publish it detailedly, like which subject, which mark each topper got. That time I'll make another video again for you. Okay, these are the 2021 toppers. Okay, 21, if you see, rank 1, 2, 3, and this Aishwarya Verma is actually a boy. Okay, many people that time misunderstood that is also a girl, but it's actually a boy. Okay, so 3 girls and 1 boy, that was last time's order, and this time it is 4 girls and 1 boy. Okay, so girls are doing well in repeatedly in the last few years. So see, these are the marks of the top 3 of last year. Okay, Shruti Sharma, Ankita and Gamini. So if you see 1105, 871 and 858 in the written exam, and interview, if you see, here it is 179 and here it is 186. 87. Okay, so the topper mark itself, you see, it's just 54%. Overall, you need just 54% to become rank number 1 of this country in the most prestigious exam of this country. Okay, so you don't have to be like over scoring a lot of marks. You just have to get that minimum cutoff in every paper and you will be there. Okay, so these are again toppers from 2014 to 21. If you don't know the names, if you are new to this preparation, like Era Singhal, Tina Dabi, Nandini, Anudeep, Kanishk, and then Pradeep, Shubham, Shruti. Okay, so majority, if you see, girls are ranked number 1 in the last 7-8 years, if you see. And these are the different optionals, different marks of the previous year students. Okay, as I told you, the latest when it gets published, I will show you like this, the chart I will show you. But these are from 2013 to 19, the rank 1 students, what were their optionals, what were the marks they scored in different subjects, and the prelims marks, and also the personality test marks and the final total. Okay, this is the 2013 to 19, if you need, because some students need this motivation. They want to know which optional is scoring, which is there. Like if you see Anudeep as your idol, then what did he score? How was his performance? Can you do better than him? So that is why I'm showing you all these things. Okay, and rank 1, I'll give you more details when the more details come out. But as of now, it is Ishita Kishore. Okay, Ishita Kishore has obviously, you know, this student who clears mains exam will go to Delhi and go to attend interview, mock interview of every coaching institute in this country. Okay, every student will attend coaching institute because interview is your last step. Okay, so that time you will not take any risk. You will go to every online portal, every offline portal, and you will give them hundreds of mock interview, and that is how you should be. You should go and give. But what happens is immediately that coaching institute takes this people's name and address and photo and tells like, okay, the student is our student. Okay, they would have given a free mock interview of half an hour there, but their entire preparation they would have done by themselves. The prelims, the mains, everything they would have done. Even from Vysh IAS, they would have done a lot of free videos and like that they have done. But these coaching classes, just because these people came for a mock interview, 30 minutes interaction they have done, immediately they claim like our student, we mentored them, we guided them throughout the journey. Like that they do false claims. Okay, obviously mock interview is important, but just because of that mock interview, this person did not become the topper. This person became topper because they deserve to become topper. Okay, they have been preparing for the last 1 or 2 years, and you can see her details and all slowly will be coming out. Okay, she's an economics graduate. Okay, and from Sriram College, most of the toppers have come from Sriram College before also. So she is also from there, Delhi University, and she's a working person also. She worked with Ernst & Young, and she's active in sports also. So like that, details are coming out, and I will publish more and more details when it comes out. Okay, of not only top rank 1, 2, 3, 4, everything I'll publish. Okay, so stay tuned for the video, and any doubts you can tell in comment section. If any of your relatives or friends or seniors, anybody got into the rank list, tell their names in comment section. We'll appreciate them, okay, because they deserve the congratulations and the appreciations and everything, because they have been studying for 1-2 years for this exam, so they deserve to be appreciated by everyone. Okay, so I'll wind up this video and make up the next video. Thank you.